Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upscale images in Midjourney. So open up Discord and in Discord look for Midjourney and search for the Midjourney and join their Midjourney server here in Discord. So once you have joined it, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to your direct messages option, which is on your top left here. Okay, so go to the direct messages and then click on the Midjourney bot, and then here you go to uh, generate an image. To generate an image, you go to give the prompt on what you want to create. So for example, just type in / and type in imagine. So the first one, which is frequently used, click on imagine and the prompt. Okay, the prompt is, you can say maybe images of cat near window or something, anything. So just type in any image that you would like to visualize. Just type that in and hit on command and send it. Okay, and once that's done, Midjourney will create the image for you. And just make sure that you need to be subscribed in order to use this. This is a subscription plan, so you need to be subscribed in a plan in order to generate image. Once you've generated the image, so for example, once an image has been generated as per your command, so you will always get 4 different variations of that image. So the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. All right, this way. So you go to select which image you want to upscale. So for example, if it's the first one here, which is the U1, the second one is U2. So each variation has each button here, respective button. So click on each button. So if you click on for example, the first one, which is U1, if you click on it, then the Midjourney will upscale the first version of this picture for a better resolution and a better version of that picture. So it will do the upscaling for you once you do that. Okay, and that's how it works. It upscales and give you the final output of the picture here. And if you want to further upscale it, you can click on, again you have options where you can upscale subtle, a much more version where you want something subtle or creative. You can select those options here to further work on it on upscaling. And once you do that, you just have to press any of these options. It will further upscale the picture and give you the result. And that's pretty much it is.